President Marcos says he is back in harness as he recovers from diverticulitis. Marcos says he will be attending several meetings today. Regarding his health, the president says he was put on a strict liquid diet. Diverticulitis is an inflammation in the wall of the large intestine.
Kailangan for a few days, hindi ka pwedeng kumain ng solid food para matanggalan ng stress yung bituka mo. So puro sabaw lang ako. Kaya nanaginip ako yung isang gabi. Sabi ko sa doktor, pwede na ba akong kumain ng kung ano-ano? Kasi nanaginip ako, nakakain ako ng steak. Yun lang ang iniisip ko. Pero hindi pa pwede. Hindi pala, ngayon pwede na.